Assalamu alaikum students, this is Najma Khan here welcoming you again with my lesson. I hope you all are safe at home. I also hope that you all are done with the reading and assignment of unit number 1, Lahore, which I have taught you in my past lesson. Now let's start unit number 2, Water. In this unit, we are going to learn all about water, the bodies of the water which provide us with the water on the land. Besides that, we will learn about the storing and the using methods of water. How does the water get polluted, and what is the connection between the water and weather. I have divided this unit into 3 parts. This is the first part. So let's get started. As you all know that most of our earth is covered in water. As you can see in the image, that the green part which is showing the land area and the blue part is showing the water, and almost all this water is salty water found in our oceans and seas. There are 5 oceans in the world: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. The oceans are divided into smaller areas called seas. Most people use the term ocean and seas interchangeably when speaking about the ocean, but there is a difference between the two terms. In the terms of geography, seas are smaller than oceans and are usually located where the land and ocean meet. Typically, seas are partially enclosed by land. Ocean and seas provide us with the water which is full of salt, and that is not readily drinkable due to the large amount of salt present in the water. Very little of the water on the earth is fresh water that can be used for drinking and growing crops. Most of this fresh water is found in rivers. River is a natural flowing water course, usually fresh water, flowing towards an ocean or sea. Here is the list of the longest rivers in the world: Mississippi River in North America, Amazon River in South America, Nile in Africa, Volga in Europe, Yangtze. Here T is silent. Yangtze in Asia, Murray-Darling in Australia. Do you know which is the longest river in Pakistan? The Indus River is the longest river in Pakistan. The Indus River starts in the mountains of China. It flows through the full length of Pakistan and ends in the Arabian Sea near Karachi. The other main rivers of the Pakistan are Satluj, Chenab, Ravi and Jhelum. And all these rivers are the main source of fresh water in our country. But the question here is, where does the water in our rivers come from? Let me give you the answer. When the sun shines on the water in our oceans and rivers, it heats it up. Some of the water is turned into a gas called water vapor. The water vapor rises up into the air and forms clouds. The clouds move over the land. When the clouds are heavy with water, drops of water fall back to the earth again as rain. In this way, water is recycled and the whole process is called the water cycle. You can see this image on your book, page number 13. When the rain falls on the land, some of it soaks into the earth and stays there. This is called groundwater, which stays under the ground. Some of the water runs off the land and forms rivers, which provide us the fresh water. In cold places such as high mountains, the water falls as snow. Sometimes the snow hardens into thick layers of ice called glaciers. In summer, the snow melts and runs down the mountains into the rivers. Then it finally flows back into the oceans once again. That's how this cycle moves on and provides us with the fresh water. Students, I have given you the image of water cycle but did not write anything about it. Now you are going to write about this. This is your assignment. You are going to draw the water cycle and define it in your own words, and after doing so, you are going to send me this assignment on this given email address, which is missk1477@gmail.com. Thank you so much.